man frɛ me ba gina so me ba wo man frɛ wo
nobody come
obi an frɛ wo bishop na an frɛ wo
no se bishop me na me fa so on some back that's the bishop yes wo ya ko e ya pa na o yo e ya pa na ya medo eye kendi o eye bishop e dey begin as bishop so we dey dia na o ko yo ya bi and the last call from pay time of church ko yo ma call so fu oh second chance believers sama minimum number man ba ka on ko so for o Kenya say mum
ba mu din ko mo ni nyina mu wa fa hwe ama no
okay ati but nobody come to bishop in fact what as you hear we I'm sure God
bishop catch us so nya hwe manager
bishop 18
kwajo jina so answer komo ni yedi nkankan step by step manager bishop frɛ nkasalewe
for me my natural knowledge I know here say situation mu den no Kwame attempts of frɛ kwajo at that time of frɛ kwajo amfa that is what me meaning that was before communication or ka say mini kwajo ka say onene kan here onene ka say also akwa asori dem on there me I have no knowledge about it but the me meaning here say it do situation bi mu a Kwame na akofrɛ kwajo amfa
Isaac
no
nyabutre kwajo nyabutre la Isaac o kwajo ndi Isaac unim nkasalewe
bi so woni me
oh nyabutre la kwajo ujira so gina hwa
a long time na sakwa no me feeling there but no I feel no masha as movie on it bishop
uni abema no Fred le wona wa
just a problem even till say one friend numpoa till why don't you do something to help and yes any pamphlet do you want me to help call you to beg you please can you do that
lewe
on for me pacho na me ho Debbie say nipa no unso situation ma why don't you let the Holy Spirit on kon kan say o mi nwe o yare wa fra me so yare say mo bo bia me fa ya de be emo no nti we no age say ono na fra no de be o pacho eye hypocrisy no
we are hypocrites kwajo jira so me ba
me
kwajo try me ba
one thing I know here say being a bishop ne kwajo connections pa connection especially as I say omo me no click
yo
me kai omo ka bishop advise kwajo a lot omo me no betia sabi ni akwajo be kai ye koye John and John Kofi Asamoah adwuma no ye ni bishop ne kwajo mu na that the same hotel anopa bia no me hu bishop ne kwajo
transit komo tete
kwajo pie na yenso e pie ne ba anajo you see on the former manager ye na tell on bishop there was that kind of connection no because kwajo no be hu bishop say bishop ye ni nua pani and say the bishop handle who also movie industry no bishop zango for the day on your social media na say
on tesa
ono no the life is simple hu no was a kwan no so enti bibia ni a bishop advice kwajo but saminia kwajo be ka say because on the kasa ye na kwajo be ka say ohia moa bia no emfiri ho no ohia moa bia emfiri ho no wo as a person there na wo ye
nti oye na atwom
two asam person ebusan say omo ka asem bi say maame sisisi omo kwan say momo mafie ho sabi o efie na wasa botwa nye obi na nim fie ho but owo ni bae no omo ti get crazy
oh they have found that place quick
abetia maame no ene abusua nti wan na say oba fie omo obi pam no
kwajo